Welcome back to another Poolside Chat presented by InyoPools.com. I'm Rob.
And I am Matthew, and today's show is brought to you by a very special sponsor. And without that sponsor, neither one of us would be here today. That sponsor is Bail Money. The question goes as such. Why is DE coming through my skimmer and main drain when the pool pump shuts off? Rob?
Well, this type of DE leak is different from the type of DE leak that you see coming out of your turn jets. The type coming out of the turn jets is going to be caused from a hole in the DE grid or a crack in the manifold, something like that. This type of DE leak, where it comes out of the pump and the skimmer and main drain, is going to be from a leak in your plumbing somewhere around the equipment or the equipment itself. Basically, when the pump shuts off, air enters the system, water drains out of the filter and back into the pool, and that's when you see the DE go back into the pool from the skimmer and main drain. It can be on the leak can be on the pressure side or the suction side.
Now, with the suction side, usually I'd say the first main symptom you're going to see is the pump's going to have trouble priming itself. Now, that means you turn it on, and when it takes maybe a minute or two longer for the water to reach the pool pump.
Yeah, now, you get a lot of air bubbles in there.
You get air bubbles coming out the returns. Now, something to check, you can check the glue joints for the T's and the 45s and the elbows, just to make sure everything is nice glued tight. We actually have quite a few how-to guides on how to find air leaks in your system. Then you also have the main pump union that's right on the suction port of the pump, right on the front. And then you have the strainer lid housing O-ring that's just at the top. A lot of the times those get pinched or they just get worn and warped just because you're taking that out and removing debris from the strainer basket. Yep. Then you have the pressure side.
Yeah, the pressure side. That's going to be anything on the return side of the pump. So common areas would be the air relief valve on the filter. If that's loose and it's leaking water a little bit, that's a problem. The multi-port valve, any leaks coming out of there would be bad. The unions on a salt cell. But anywhere after the pump, if it's leaking water, when the pump's running, that's bad, and you want to fix that, because when the pump shuts off again, you're going to lose all that water out of your system, and it's going to run back into the pool. So
I think we killed it.
I think so. Well, we'll see.
Well, if not, leave a comment down below. Thank you for joining us. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And for all your pool and spa needs, visit us over at InyoPools.com. Thank you. Goodbye.